Lenovo Ideapad Flex 5i. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. Lenovo Flex 5i features up to 13th Gen Intel Core i5 from a range of CPUs specifically engineered for thin and light laptops. Multiple cores give you the power to run multiple apps seamlessly and simultaneously. You can even edit video while you video chat with the confidence your device will run cool and silent under any conditions. What's in the box? Ideapad Flex 5i, 14, Intel. 65 WAC adapter. Lenovo Digital Pen. Quick Start Guide. Pros. Good performance for the price. Responsive touchscreen. Higher end look than the price suggests. Its ultra-thin and light body weighs just 1.5 kilograms, 3.31 pounds for exceptional portability and convenience. Along with its modern styling, the Ideapad Flex 5i features a sleek case with a metal cover and is available in Arctic Grey and Abyss Blue. 360 degrees of freedom. Whether you need to work, play, or share, the Ideapad Flex 5i rotates into tent or stand mode for entertainment and presentations, or tablet mode for life on the go. The rugged drop-down hinge gently lifts the keyboard to cover the bottom display bezel for a more ergonomic typing experience while increasing the screen-to-body ratio for a more immersive display. The Flex 5i using aluminum for the top lid that houses the screen, while the rest of the laptop is plastic. 13th generation Intel Core i5-1335U processor. E-Core Max 3.40 GHz. Integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. Memory 16 GB. Storage 1 TB NVMe. The 14 inches screen feels larger than it is, thanks to the WUXGA IPS display's sharp contrast and piercing clarity. The photorealistic color brings entertainment vividly to life. The 16:10 screen and narrow bezels give an outstanding greater than 90% screen-to-body ratio with advanced Dolby audio, and write or sketch away with the optional Lenovo Digital Pen. Camera 1080p FHD with privacy shutter. On the left side of the Flex 5i, you'll find the power connector, a barrel plug connector rather than USB-C. There is also a full-size HDMI 2.1 port, a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The right side has a pair of USB-A 3.2 ports, a full-size SD card slot, and a power button. It has every type of port you could realistically need on an average day. Lenovo's laptops frequently have high-quality keyboards, regardless of price, and that remains the case with the Flex 5i. Keys have long enough travel that you get a good sense of registering key presses. The 4.75-inch wide touchpad also feels smooth to use and has excellent palm rejection. I didn't notice a single accidental click from the touchpad during my entire time testing the laptop. Fingerprint reader. A pair of 2-watt speakers produce typically tinny laptop audio. They have enough muscle to fill a small room. Battery up to 10 hours, MM18. Up to 14 hours, video playback.